So we start off the haircut with a center parting that goes all the way down center back, just to make it easy. And then we section off a V shape in the fringe area, 2 inches up. And then you can see from mid crown down to behind the ear, a diagonal forward section. And that is it. There's really one panel in the back, and then we work off of 2 panels in the mid part of the head, and then the fringe section. So we're going to start off the haircut by bringing the hair directly down, everything straight down. We're cutting a square line in the back. This is really just to clean up the ends, so any guest that you have that comes into the salon, you want to get that nice clean line first in this haircut, and then we're going to go in and create our layering after. Alright, so we're going to work off pie-shaped sectioning in the back, so moving more and more diagonal forward as we go, and we're going to create concave layers. So this is really just elevating the hair straight up from the head, and then kicking your finger angle up just a little bit to create a little more of that concave feel to the haircut. If we were to come straight out of the head, that would be more convex. We're trying to collapse the shape and create more shorter layers within the haircut. So you can see it's only a few sections. With longer hair, you don't have to necessarily, depending on the density of the hair, take as small of sections. So we're going to move through this haircut. Sorry about that angle, not as good. But you can see it just creates nice short layers right around the occipital bone area. Alright, now we're going to move to the front, taking diagonal forward sections. And I'm determining my length based on how short I want the face frame to be. So if you have to, you can drop it down and just check it. But real simple. I went a little shorter with this one. I wanted some real nice pop to the layering throughout the haircut, and I'm just bringing everything to that stationary guide. And my finger angle is pretty much following the head shape at this point, so right around the forehead and how that forehead curves, that's what my finger is doing. And it's sitting, you can't see that angle as well, but I'm bringing the hair directly forward right over that left eye. So pretty simple. Again, stationary guide, bringing everything forward until there's no hair left to cut. So you're going to keep working that sectioning and that parting all the way through until there's nothing left. And that'll give you, that connects the front and the back of the hair. You can see it's a nice face frame, a lot of pieces in there, and the layering just has a lot of movement. It's really, really cool. Now we're going to grab our guide from the side that we just cut, and we're going to bring it over. So I just grab a little piece of that guide, and that'll connect the 2 sides together. Now a lot of you will probably have questions about if it's not a center part. This haircut, there's no real parting to it. We're doing a broken front fringe, and then the layers just kind of fall. So you'll see, you can see at the beginning of the video, it's really just a bunch of choppy layers, and it doesn't have a definite parting within the haircut. So this would be a great haircut for somebody that's not looking to part it on one side, but if they were going to, you just adjust it, do the same exact thing, but just make sure that you're doing it based off of their parting. So you can see how the layers fall. I love the movement in them. Now we're going to take the Donald Scott Prepare Liquid Tool Glide. What I love about this product is it just makes the hair so silky and has a nice slip to it. So when you're razor cutting, even cutting with scissors, it allows you to glide through the hair really easy and detangles the hair really well. So we're going to use the carving foam wide. I'm going to go through and I'm going to use big strokes with the razor, nice vertical section down. The bigger the stroke, the more broken the fringe will be. When I say broken, I mean like a shattered feel to it. So I cut my first part right above the nose, and then I'm just going to slide the razor off of that using the center part as my guide, and just slide the razor down. So it gives me a nice V shape to the fringe, and it's not just a big straight across bang, I guess you could say. So you can see, nice soft feel, a lot of layering, a lot of movement, a lot of choppiness. That's what I really love about this haircut. It's just really, easy to style. They can wear it curly, they can wear it straight. So we go in with some Bricado Cloud 9 blow dry serum. I like this. We're going to use a round brush really quickly. But I just go around the head. I'm working diagonal forward with the round brush, going back and forth with the sections, just creating a nice wave to the haircut. So we'll go through, we're going to style it up. I wish I could blow dry this fast in the salon. That would be great. Working our way through, still working diagonal forward. Using the Ergo round brush. I love those round brushes. And you can see, because of the concave layering throughout the whole haircut, pretty much, you can see how soft the ends are. The ends aren't real thick, and this haircut is great for long hair, for medium length hair. You can really do it on any length that you want. So a lot of people were asking what my favorite long layered haircut is. This is really it. The mannequin just doesn't have very long hair, but I would do the same exact technique on longer hair. So I just go through, I take a nice vertical section, you could call it horizontal, whatever you want to call it, through the top, and I point cut through that just to soften the top layering, but not too much. Not really getting into dry cutting in this haircut because I like the result of it already. So little Bricado maximum hold hairspray to finish off the result. Here's the haircut.